guys, it's me. Braden just got a new car. Yeah, he's got a upgrade from his previous 2JZ swapped Mazda 3. Do you want to show him? Alright, here it is. What do we have?
These are carbon fiber rims, man. Dirt nasty low, by the way.
Oh,
spoiler.
Got an Evo wing. That'll buff out. I guess it's got the massive as cannon that we're probably going to have to take off. Replace it with stock. Yeah, it's got some mad Recaros. We're going to replace them with stock seats. We're going to go to the wreckers today and probably just suss out what we can find. We're going to see what we can do today to just get this thing fixed up because it looks like it's seen some better days. Look at that. Clean. You're gonna hit the curb. Just go forward this way. Yeah, it's fine, whatever. It's fine. Alright, let's go. Oh, look at that. You can easily get out of that. Jeez. Racing seats. We here at the wreckers getting some mad Recaros for the car. Braden's over there. These chairs didn't have a headrest, so we're just pulling out the headrest from this car easy. Yeah, they're pretty comfortable.
They feel alright?
Yeah, they feel way better than
the buckets.
Yeah, the bucket seats in your car.
Oh, what the hell? It's better than the Mazda's thing.
Yo, we just got the seats from the wreckers and probably going to be on our way now to head home and then replace those mad bucket seats.
A little tour. So we got the metal. Yeah.
Just got home and Parla's here now.
Dogs.
What do you mean dogs? Yeah, so we're just going to put it in and install these bucket seats, eh? Oh, what is that? It's like a piece of carpet.
Who does that?
Oh, that's just, what is this? Oh, it's air freshener. It looks like wafer sticks.
Right here. Look at that hydro.
There you go.
Like this.
Braden over there doing his thing. Get the car out.
The guys are back here today.
Braden, we fixed your seat problem, bro.
Oh yeah, that's way better. It's a super now.
We found your gas tank.
I'm not trying to drive like this.
There you go. Look at how low you are.
Oh my god. Side step. Wait, do heel toe.
Do you even know how to heel toe? That's a, what is that? That's not a heel toe. What is, that's a heel toe. Oh, what are you doing? You don't know how to drop it now. Alright, we'll put the seats in Recaros. Oh my gosh, these like feel comfortable, but like, it's just not practical. So we got the first seat out and then we're just gonna put it in. Tyler's gonna start undoing the second seat.
Fucking $300. That's on. My bad.
Oh, let's take. So what we have here is Braden putting in his passenger seat. What you should do, see the lever on the bottom? This thing here, pull the rails forward. Yeah, pull it forward so it all lines up. And I just put it in the holes. Yeah. And then yeah, just bolt them in now. So booster seat installed, stock seats installed. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, that's so much better.
Make it. Tyler, you almost done?
It's because he fucking get more value out of the Mazda.
Alright, so after this, we're gonna probably install the stock muffler. So yeah, probably gonna install this back into the car because this cannon isn't very practical at all. Alright, so we were going to take this off, but it is welded. Dude, look at that! previous owner just zip tied it, bro. That is gangsta.
Oh, where he cut the springs.
Yeah. Oh, look at that movement.
That is not good.
Move the wheel.
Oh, well, it's welded, it's like,
Alright, I don't know what else we can do right now. We can't put the muffler back on. You're gonna have to deal with that.
what else is there really to do?
You just need to get the bulb, probably muffler. That's about it. You've already got the seats, which is probably one of the big things. Alright, so I guess that's the end of today. Braden's new car is, it's got a bit of work needed. I guess we got some plans for this car. Probably like coilovers, wrap. Gonna do everything DIY. The Mr. W project car. Let's go. Look at the veins on his arms. Gee. Oh.